In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dynamic calendar in Google Sheets. Stop manually typing dates every month. This setup will update itself instantly based on the month and year you choose. Start with a completely blank sheet. In the first cell, type month. Right next to it, create a dropdown for January through December. To do that, select the cell, go to Data, then Data Validation, choose Dropdown, and enter the months in order. In the next column, type year, and in the cell beside it, enter 2020 so we have a starting year to test with. A couple of rows down, across 7 columns, type the days of the week from Sunday through Saturday. These will serve as your calendar headers. Now, for the magic. Click the first cell under Sunday, which is where your calendar grid will begin, and enter this formula exactly. Eon sequence 6, 7, date, D1, month, B1 on 1, 1. Weekday, date, D1 month, B1 and 1, 1. Plus year. What this does is create a 6 rows by 7 columns grid for the calendar. It uses the month from your dropdown and the year you typed, finds the first day of that month, shifts to the correct starting Sunday based on the weekday, and then fills the entire grid with the corresponding dates in sequence. At first, you might see full date values, or even what looks like long serial numbers. That's expected. Highlight the entire calendar grid, then go to Format, Number, Custom Date, and Time, and choose just the day option so only the day number shows. This gives you that clean, familiar calendar look while keeping the underlying dates accurate. Now, try it out. Change the month dropdown from January to February, and watch the numbers jump to the correct days immediately. You can also adjust the year cell and the calendar will recalculate, handling different month lengths and leap years automatically. No more copy-pasting or retyping dates. Everything updates as soon as you change the month or year at the top. A few quick tips to make this even easier to use. Consider freezing the top rows so your month, year, and day headers stay visible as you scroll. You can also resize columns for a balanced layout. And if you want to go further later, add simple conditional formatting to highlight weekends or today's date, but that's optional and not required for the dynamic behavior. And that's it. You now have a fully dynamic Google Sheets calendar driven by a single formula and a couple of drop-downs, ready to refresh itself every month.